Hello, I'm Bishop Mark Short from the Anglican Diocese of Canberra and Goulburn. Since moving to Canberra just over 2 years ago, I've been greatly encouraged by the ecumenical spirit evident in our city. The various churches of the ACT share a common mission of commending the Lord Jesus and his love for this place. And my prayer is that we will continue to do that, witnessing to the unity we have in the Lord Jesus as we seek to serve the world he loves.
Hi, I'm Norm Beckett, Major in the Salvation Army and just retired from the leadership of the Canberra and South Coast area of the Salvation Army, mainly responsible for mission and pastoral care of officers. And I've been on the Ecumenical Council for the last 2 years and have shared in many ecumenical activities in the last couple of years and have got to know through that Archbishop Prowse, and I'm glad to be here today to share with other leaders in the church on an ecumenical level.
I am Reverend Gabor Sabo of St. Peter's Memorial Lutheran Church here in Canberra. As a member of the ACT Churches Council, I'm representing the Lutheran Church New South Wales District here in Canberra. Well, this is not the first time I'm here, but I always appreciate Archbishop Prowse's hospitality as he extends his friendship in an ecumenical context to those churches who are working together here in Canberra. We are discussing the topics of our churches, the concerns we are having, and also the joys we are also having sometimes in our churches. I don't think, as in diplomacy, when you sit down to a table and you have some meal together, and you have after that you have an informal meeting, I think it advances the ecumenical movement, and I really appreciate, not just myself, but on behalf of my church.